Almost no other part of your home gets as much exposure as the front door. It's where you greet friends and family, and it's the first thing the visitors see. It is a reflection of your taste and lifestyle. If you're in the market for a new front door, you might be a little overwhelmed by all the options available to you. To help you focus on the factors that will lead you to the perfect door for your house, we've put together this short video explaining the components of a front door to keep in mind as you shop and compare. Knowing all the components that make up your front door will help you in choosing the right door for your home, because together these components work harmoniously to achieve your desired aesthetic. Here is an in-depth look at a Window City front door. The door frame. A door frame is what supports the door and consists of the head, jamb, and sill. The frame sits flat against the floor. It is commonly made from wood, aluminum, or steel. Decorative glass. Our decorative glass collection uses solid metals and textured or beveled glass. Together, these materials create true works of art. We have a simple guide to allow you to decide what level of privacy is best for you, from clear to obscure, when choosing your glass style. Hardware. The automatic multi-point locking system provides beauty and security. It is available on multiple finish options with added customizations. Hinges, jointed or flexible devices on which doors or windows turn. Door panel. The door panel is a part of the door that swings to open and close. When you think of a door, this is typically what you would imagine. Finish options. The door finish options include the final protective treatment of a surface, including paint, stain, and more. Tempered glass. Glass that is treated with heat in its manufacturing, creating a product that can withstand abnormal force or pressure on its surface, and does not break into sharp pieces. Building code requires tempered glass in all doors, including patio doors, and in windows that are located near doors, bathtubs, or showers. Side lights. A fixed, usually rectangular window placed on either side of a door. They are typically tall and narrow and help add architectural interest to the front of your home and natural light to your entryway. Transom. A window, usually rectangular, placed over a door or window. Transoms, or fan lights, were first used in the 18th century on exterior doors. They increased the amount of light let into the front hall, and because of them, the size of the door could be reduced. The best place to start designing your Window City front door is by visiting our website to scroll through our customization options. Contact us today to get started.